Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the government alerts on the AccuWeather application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen and click to the second option, the settings. Scroll down and go to the manage notifications section, and here you can find the first option, the government alerts. Several weather alerts for selected locations, and if you want to enable, just click to the next white circle and on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.